Welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be showing step by step on how to set up your YouTube channel perfectly for algorithm to understand your niche. So that much being said, let's go straight to the point. Firstly, if you want to come into YouTube platform, you need to understand that YouTube is not like other social media. You got to fix a niche for it. You got to know the niche you want to go about, so that YouTube is how you be pushing your videos to random audience. And this setting I will show you now, it will allow YouTube to focus on your niche. So the first thing you will do is that you open your Chrome browser. If you are not using laptop or with your mobile phone, you can access this. You type YouTube, you can see YouTube Studio dashboard, then you click there. That is all. Then you come right down to YouTube Studio that is showing here. Then you light it. Sorry. Then you open it in a new tab in group, not in a new tab. Then you click here. It will drop down there, this side here, you can see. Then you click the next side here. Then don't get the app. Come down to studio. Continue to studio. Then it will come like this. You can see the interface. Then you can see settings here. This is how the interface will be on your mobile phone. Then you come to settings here. You can see. So the next thing you do, you come straight to upload defaults. Please don't skip any part of this video so that you can learn step by step on how to get this thing right. You can see it's a title. You don't need that now. You can see description. You can permanent your description here. Yeah, you can permanent. But first of all, if you create a YouTube channel newly, this thing you see visibility will show something like this. It won't fix on public. It won't feel on list. It won't fix on private, but it will be plain. But you are the one to fix it public yourself. Then you come, it will show something like this tags. Then the next thing you do, you go to ChatGPT to give you a tax related to your niche and press it here. You see the amount inside the tax you can fix here is 500. Then the next place you come, you advanced settings. Then once you read there, it will show the interface like this. You can see category. When you show category, then you come this drop down, then you click there. You can see entertainment, educational, film and animation, gaming. So many more. You can see blog. So yeah, this channel is based on how to and style. People that teach on how to grow on YouTube. Then I click there. Then you save it. Then after do that, that is how. Then you can start consistency. You can start posting consistency on your channel if you do this right. Fix your tags, fix your keywords perfectly for algorithm to understand you, so it can match you to people that are into your niche. So if you find this video helpful for you, please do well by subscribe and comment and share this video for many people. Also save it for next time. Watch step by step as I do, and you get the result. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.